Hey everybody, Patty Ann here again today. The first thing I wanted to do was to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't believe it, y'all. I've reached 60,000 subscribers today. I just got there. I can't believe it. I never thought I would have done that. And it's thanks to you guys because you've liked, you've shared, you subscribed, you followed me, and boy, oh boy, that sure does make me feel good, and I sure appreciate it. So, today we're going to do something. I'm going to show you a place to go where you can find lots and lots and lots of opportunities to find BX fonts. Then I'm going to show you how to download the BX fonts and to install them into Embrilliance. So let's get started. Okay, as promised, here's the list of the fonts that you'll want to see. Check this out. I'll have the link for you down below. It's at embrilliance.com. Oh, and remember, I am affiliated with them, so if you would like to purchase something from Embrilliance, please use my links down below. I get a little teeny weeny commission, and it helps to keep me going. But anyway, these are free to look at. But, so all of these different companies, the company name is on the left, and their URL or their address is on the right. So you can just pick any one of these, and the one that I picked, I think, well, was one of these down here, and I've forgotten, but I still have it open right here. So let's click on this link, and there we go. It's River Mill Embroidery. Okay, then the next thing I did was, first I went to design and font bundles, and I decided I don't really want a bundle of fonts. I just want to buy one font. Okay, so instead of doing that, I did embroidery alphabets by style. But before I go anywhere else, I wanted to just see you to see this. Here's the design that will be automatically added to your cart if you spend $3. Like I said, I'm not affiliated with any of these things. I'm just showing them to you. I think I will get this though. But the other thing I really like is this. I think it's super cute. Rolling with the Christmas spirit. Wouldn't that be really cute on an apron? If you and a bunch of your friends were getting together to make Christmas cookies or something, you could make everybody an apron with that on it, and I think it'd be really cute. And if I were doing that, and I think I'll add it to my cart, I think I'd also add a year in there just so that we can remember that. So the other thing that I wanted to show you then was I did go to embroidery alphabets by style, and the one I saw that I really liked was this one called Kindle font right here, because I love the swirly letters, and look at that F, isn't it beautiful? I love that. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cart as well. And hopefully, there we go. I have 3 things in my cart. I think I should just have 2, but let's check it out. Okay, I got the Happy Fall, y'all, and these 2 things. So I'm going to check out now. So I need to create an account right here. And my first name and my last name and my email address, and I'll put in a password, and I guess I would like to receive updates and offers, and I'll create an account. So now I'll close this. So now I'll put in the information for my billing, and I think I'll keep this private. Okay, I'm going to use PayPal for mine, so I'm going. My total is $8.44, as you can see here. Excuse me. I'm going to use PayPal, and I'll continue with PayPal, and I'm going to close this for a minute so I keep this private. Okay, so it's finished. It says thank you, Patty Ann. Here's all my stuff here. An email will be sent to me about the information of what I purchased. I can download my digital purchases by clicking on the links on this page or by logging into my account. So I'll click on these. I'm going to do the Kindle font because that's the one I wanted to show today, how to do a BX font. So I'm going to download it, and it's right here. Notice it's a zip file. That's very important that you notice that. It's a zip file. I'm going to have to unzip it before I can use it. So I'm going to click on that. Notice it's downloading right here. It either downloads up here for me or down in the lower left. Once it's here, I'll double click on it to open it. And at this point now, I have to extract it. So it's the Kindle font, and it's in my downloads. And I'm going to extract all. You must extract a zipped file or the things will not work. Even if you can see them right here, they will not work. So let's go back up here and say extract all. Extract. Now, when this is extracted, I want to show you something very important. And that is this. So you want to use the BX font with Embrilliance, because if you don't use the BX font but you use the PES, if you have a brother machine, every one of the letters, if you download it as the PES or install it, is going to come in individually. So in other words, when you want to open something like the letter A, you'll have to go look for the letter A and import it. If you want to do Abby, you'll do a B and import it, another B and import it. With the BX font, however, all you have to do is click on your keyboard A, B, B, Y, and presto, it's there. So let me show you. Here it is. It's extracted. I can double click. So here we have all these different kinds. These must be the BX, even though it doesn't say it. So I'm going to double click on one. And it says the RM Kindle 1.5 inch has been installed. All I had to do was double click on it. So let's see if I come up here and then I click on this and I come over here, and was that BM? Kindle, there it is, and there it is. Now I don't really like that all capital letters, so I could come here and put in Abby like I said, and there's the word Abby. And then of course I could go ahead and change the spacing of them so they're closer together or touching. Click on this one, click on the bottom, and it moves just that one and the one after it. Click on this one and it moves just that one. So then I could have them all connected just like that. The other thing is, if I had done where I wasn't using the BX font, but rather the PES, notice this. Every one of these files, I would have to bring these in individually like images. So if I put this in, and I really don't want to do it because it's a mess, but if I really wanted all these letters individual like images, I could do that. But what you really want to do is make sure you get the BX font. So let me show you that again. Let's go to, well, let's go here again. And we did the 1.5 inch. There's a 2.5 inch ones. And now I can either double click on that, and you saw that it automatically downloaded or came into the program, or I could skinny this guy over, and you can drag the one you want right over here. So this, I'm thinking, may not be my unzipped ones. Let's check. So I'm going back up to Kindle font. Okay, so I want to make sure I'm in. See, this one has a zipper on it. I want the unzipped ones and this. And now I should be able to drag these over here, the ones that are the BX fonts. Okay, so here's a B. These are BX, even though they're not labeled as such. I hate that. See that one now? Before, I was not in the unzipped ones and they wouldn't work. I have to be dragging these from the unzipped folder, and watch what happens when I drag this over. It comes to a plus sign and it's been installed. But let's look and see again now. If I go back up and I go into the zipped folder, because I've forgotten this important step, click this, I can still see them all. And I think it's just fine, but check it out. When I try to bring this, I'll say 2-inch one over, I bring it over, look, it's giving me that little symbol. No, the little circle with the X to it, or the line. No, you can't do it. How about this one? No, it won't let me. However, let's say I go to this. Well, no, I'm not. It won't even let me do these. It won't let me do anything here because they're not unzipped. They're zipped up. They're compressed. They're squished. I gotta use the unzipped ones. So let's do one more. Let's go back to here, the Embrilliance site, and let's just pick somebody else. I have no idea. Hoop Mama. Let's try Hoop Mama. I've not tested any of these, so I really don't know. So once we're in Hoop Mama, let's see, do they have a place for, oh, look at these tumbler wraps. I get sidetracked. Wow, they have a lot of stuff in here. Well, let's see, is there a search button?
What do you want to search for?
Oh gosh, no, not you. That was weird. Okay, I'm not easily seeing their fonts, so, or a search button. So I'm going to go back and get rid of this one, Hoop Mama. Let's try a different one, Jazzy Zebra Designs. I'm just picking stuff willy-nilly. Okay, let's just type in BX and search and see if it comes up with some stuff. All right, they have this BX font right here, and it is $10.75. Okay, I'm not going to buy that one today. I'm going to go back. Let's try another one. Little Lamb Creations. That's an Etsy shop. How about Lenny Penny? You probably are familiar with Lenny Penny. Let's do BX and search. All right, here's a bunch of fonts that are BX fonts. Lenny Penny, Native BX. So these all say BX. And by the way, that first site we were at, it said BX files for Embrilliance are included with all alphabets. Every single alphabet you get here. So if we went to another one and we started looking through here for something else that we liked, that's cute, isn't it? Little star font. I love that too. That's pretty. I seem to like the swirly things because I like this Daisy script also. But anyway, there's Magnolia. We're all familiar with that. Let's do one more. Let's do the sketch style. Isn't that USA nice? I love that. Oh, I can't decide, y'all. Goodness sakes. Let's see if I can click up here and go into Google and type in free BX fonts, because I don't want to buy too many. Let's see. Oma's Place. I get stuff from Oma a lot. I think I already have the font named Anna though, but it's free. So I'm just going to show you how to use it. So here it is. Okay, including the BX format. I would download it, put in my stuff. Ugh. I already get their newsletter. So here it's downloading up here. Anna zip. See, it's a zipper. There's a zipper on the file. Double click on that to open it. Again, this is a zipped file. If I don't unzip it first and I just try to drag Anna over here because it's a BX file, it will not work. But if I extract everything, if I take everything out of that zip file by double clicking, say extract, here it is again. It's extracted now. And I know that because up here it doesn't say extract all. On the first one it gives me the opportunity to extract. So again, remember, when I try to drag this one over that wasn't extracted, it's still zipped. It will not work. But if I bring this one over, on the other hand, that's been unzipped, check it out. See what I get right here? I get that nice little square with the plus sign in it, and it's going to put Anna in there right away. And it should have said Anna was, oh, it did right behind there. Anna has been installed. So let's see now. Can I change this font now to Anna? Let's go. It should be way up here. There it is, Anna. And there's Anna font, just like that. So that's how easy it is to install, to find BX fonts. Just do a Google search or go to the website. I'll have a link for you down below. Download the BX font, then unzip it or extract it. If you don't do that, it won't work and you'll be so frustrated. But notice I didn't have to restart my software to get these to work. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up. Other than, well, I hope that answers the questions that so many of you have asked me about how in the world do you use BX fonts with Embrilliance. See how easy it is? I had one other question that I wanted to talk about real quick today, and someone had asked if I know or if I have the Dominique font. I gotta say I don't have it, but for those of you that asked, or the fella or lady that asked, all I did was a Google search for the Dominique font, embroidery font. I made sure to put the word embroidery in there because otherwise all I got were regular fonts. When I clicked on that to search, I was able to find some things. For example, here's one in Etsy, and it looks like this person has really good rating, and this is the Dominique alphabet that they showed up. So this may be something that you want to do. And by the way, look right here in the title, it says BX files included. Don't ever buy any embroidery fonts that do not have the BX files included. You'll be really sorry. Just trust me on that one. So anyway, thanks again for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this and have learned something. Please give me a thumbs up, share, and again, thank you for subscribing. See y'all again soon. Bye for now.